Welcome back. In this video we are talking about type of memories. So there are, about some memory type like ROM, RAM, cache, flash already. But actually what is ROM and the type of ROM? ROM is a read-only memory. It's a non-volatile memory, means data is permanent when the power off. Okay. What is the purpose? Like store program code like firmware that does not change. Type EEPROM, programmable ones. Like you remember once the Nokia keypad phone in which the handshake video or image show when you restart the phone. So that's programmable only once is the example. PROM example that memory. EEPROM can be erased with UV light and reprogrammed. So EEPROM is erased by UV rays. EEPROM. So EEPROM can be electrical erased by and program. Like in the previous video, I talked about EEPROM. Okay. Apart from this, there is the RAM, random access memory. RAM is a volatile memory, means data is lost when power is off. Store purpose. What is the purpose? Purpose is store temporary data during program execution, like variable, stack, buffer, these type. This is furthermore classified into SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is static RAM and DRAM is dynamic RAM. Static RAM is a fast, does not need refresh, used for cache and stack. Basically, in microcontroller we talk about register. So you can compare it similar like register. Like if you make any variable register, means you request the compiler store it nearest to them. So similarly, that SRAM is like static RAM means fast. Fast means it is fixed. It is not dynamically changed. Like we declare a any variable volatile means it can be changeable. So static means this is not be going to be changed. So then fast does not need refresh used for cache and stack. Static RAM is does not need refresh. Okay, dynamic RAM need refresh. Higher density rarely used in a small MCU. For example, holding sensor reading and temporary buffer or program stack. So RAM is used for holding sensor reading. Any data you have to process now, you read any sensor, store it, use it, remove it. So that kind of data we store in RAM. Next is flash memory. Flash memory, what is flash memory? Non-volatile, electrically erasable and reprogrammable. Basically, it is the type of ROM, read-only memory. Purpose, store firmware or persistent where we need to persist the data, even the power is off. For example, MPU program storage, saving calibration data or logs. Saving calibration data or logs. It is also use of EEPROM. It is also a type of EROM because EEPROM, PROM, these all are the type of ROM. Flash memory is also a type of ROM. Then once it comes cache memory, optimal high-end embedded system, optional in high-end. Cache memory, optional in high-end embedded system. What it is? Small, very fast memory between CPU and main RAM. Between CPU and main RAM. Basically, cache memory in case of microcontroller, we take it as register because register is too close. Whatever is stored itself in the register is too close. Even register don't have addresses. Like if you think you can access the register address, can't possible because register don't have address. Even address is stored in the register. Okay, So cache memory, small, fast. You can compare it as a register. Okay, so spatial memory, like next is register, tiny, fastest memory inside CPU for immediate calculation. See, for immediate calculation. So means fastest, very fast. Okay. Then EEPROM and FRAM, non-volatile memory used for save a user setting or counter that must survive power off. Okay, so in summary, here you can see ROM is non-volatile, RAM is volatile, flash is no volatile, cache is volatile. Okay, purpose, ROM purpose is store firmware, example bootloader. RAM purpose temporary data is variable and stack. Flash store firmware and persist data, program storage. Cache fast access, frequently used data. Whatever we used frequent, it is stored in cache. EEPROM, save user setting and device config.